Hello and welcome to week 2 of Human Development and Educational Psychology. Hope that you had a great first week and you had a chance to kind of look through things. I just wanted to direct your attention to a few things, and if you're in my other class, you'll hear this again. But first of all, if you do have a question regarding content, or if a link's not working, or the password, for example, then the best place to post that is here in the discussions. So if you click on this link, there's a discussion board for course questions. And if you post it there, because sometimes things don't work, it may work for me and not for you, your peers can respond quickly. If I see that it's a classified problem, then I have one place that I can go and answer it, and then everyone immediately has access to that. So if you send me emails, it's going to take me much longer to get to it. And if it's a problem that a peer may be able to help you with, then you'll get much quicker feedback. So that would be great if you can do that. Now, if you have a personal question about your grade or your assignment or your situation, then please send me an email through the D2L email. You don't need to email me at my MSU email, but my contact information's here in this folder. So send me an email there if you have like a specific question about your situation. So, and then also be sure that all assignments are submitted through the Dropbox. If you haven't had a chance yet, please be sure to read through the syllabus that details where to submit assignments, late work, and then what the different types of assignments are that are offered throughout the course. And then you also need to be sure to have this assignment schedule handy. You can download it if you want. If I ever make any changes, I'll be posting them here. And so this is another good thing to look at. It tells you what's due each week, and it corresponds to these weekly folders that are here as well. So be sure to have both of those handy. So last week you worked on lots of different things, one of which was signing up for your Theorist Research Project. And so if I can direct your attention back to that, so one thing that you're going to do in this class, and I don't know how to make this go right there yet, is to research about different theories in human development and educational psychology. So I hope that you had a chance to sign up for a theorist. If not, then I have posted those here for you, so you can click on this link right here, and it will provide you with the date that your presentation's due, your partner, if you have one, and also what topic you have. So be sure to pay attention to those dates. They're spread throughout the year, so I won't always be reminding you to do it, so it's something that you need to keep up with. And as you submit those, I'll be posting them for everyone else to watch, so the videos. So this is a description of what I want you to do. You're going to be doing both a paper and a presentation. So the paper will be submitted to me and basically is a script for your presentation. So I won't read through all these details for you, but what you're going to do is research a particular theory or theorist, and then look at the pedagogy and professional responsibilities and see how some of these theories may correspond to what we have in education. So the PPR is a test that you have to take if you're going to become an educator. So whether or not you will or won't become an educator, you can still go to the link and look at the different suggestions that are things that you need to know, or those of you who are going to become teachers need to know. And so I want you to find how they correspond. So first you'll select your theorist, and you have already found that, and then and you have seen that. So anyway, for your paper, I want you to find at least 3 sources that kind of detail your theorist, and then how his or her research relates to the field of educational psychology that we're studying, and then at least 4 of the standards. So make sure it's kind of formal. It has a title page, a references page, and then these are just kind of some things to include in the paper. And then you're also going to come up with a presentation, and you can create it any way. You can do it in screencast the way that I have, or you can record it on your phone or something else. But you need to make a recording, and in addition to your paper, you need to paste the link. So it needs to be a web link that classmates can go to, not something that they have to actually download. And you can put that in like the comment section, or you can put it in a Word document and just upload that along with your paper. So you and your partner can make a decision about how to work together. You can do it all in a Google Doc, and maybe one of you records part and one the other, or one makes the slides and one does the recording, or you can get together somehow and do it. So that's going to be up to you to figure out, but it'll give you an opportunity to work with someone else, which is something that you'll likely be doing in the future. So just be sure to pay attention to the rubric. This is what I'll be using to grade your papers and grade your presentation. So if you have questions as you go along, or questions about your theory or theorist, or have any difficulty finding the information about your theory or theorist, then please let me know. And the week 1 folder is going to be where you upload your presentation. So I do have instructions on how to search for the theorist. I want you to use our databases through the university, so not just through Google or something. You can use Google Scholar, and you do have access to that. Here's a video, and then here's instructions on how to do it. So just let me know again if links aren't working or if you have any trouble by posting in that course questions guide. So for this week, we're in week 2, and this week you're going to be taking a quiz over research studies. So in chapter 1, you read about the different types of research studies, and I want you to focus specifically on descriptive, correlational, experimental. So we also learned about quantitative and qualitative and mixed methods, but you're just focusing on those 3 quantitative types of research studies. And so you have 5 questions. You have an hour to complete it, so it's not like a super quick quiz. You definitely need to be familiar with it. You can use your book, but once you open it, you only have an hour to complete it. So make sure that you're ready, and then you can get on and start working through the quiz. And then once you finish it, that'll be it. And then I'll have to get on and grade them, so your grades won't post immediately since they're going to be a short answer. So if you have questions before you take the quiz, let me know. But make sure you're ready to take it when you do log on, because you won't be able to retake it at all. So hope that you have a good week, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.